This is Aiden Wolf. So I've been told time after time to never actually talk until I've had my coffee. It usually comes from my wife who, well, she knows me. And she also knows that nothing good comes out of me talking without coffee. So, yeah, it's afternoon nap, life of a morning show host. Now, I don't usually do these kinds of videos because, well, frankly, it's never been a need. But I get packages from time to time, but I don't always get multiple packages. And today, well, I got multiple packages. So I figured let's do a little bit of an unboxing. Now, I'm pretty sure I know what this one is, but I'm not exactly sure what was sent. This is coming from Zoom. So I reached out to them and I said, hey, could I get one of your new H8s? And I think that was back in August. And they're like, wow, we don't have any in stock, but give it a few and just get back to us in September and we'll be good. So I called them back in September and they said, no, you're going to have to give us until like October, okay? So finally I got through to him and I said, hey, can you just get me this? And he's like, well, I've got a P4. I wasn't really planning on doing a P4 video. Not yet anyways. I hadn't been able to get my hands on it, but like, okay, sure, why not? But then there was something else that I didn't think he was going to send me. And I think that's what this is. Let's see exactly if this is what I think it is. This is not at all what I think it is. What is this? Okay, now you can see this, right? Got a long cable in here. There's that. We've got, oh, the Zoom ZDM1 dynamic microphone. I was not expecting that. We also have an XLR cable, a tripod, a mount, headphones. Look at that little stubby thing. Hey, they fit too. Quite noise canceling. So this is all the Zoom ZDM1 podcast pack. Really cool. I did not expect to get this. I was kind of expecting the P4. More or less wanted the Zoom H8, but you know what? I don't care. This will be cool. I'm going to actually have to take a look at this and see exactly how good this is. Stay tuned for the video, obviously. But this I was expecting. This is the Zoom PodTrack P4. And kind of a unboxing experience that, well, yeah, there you go. And I believe they got, a couple AA batteries in there. Very cool. Looking forward to trying this thing out. From what I've seen of this, it's a very powerful little machine. So I'll see if I can get that out to you as quick as possible. But that's not the biggest thing I'm unboxing today. This, however, is something really cool that I'm really looking forward to integrating into my studio. Now, before you ask, yes, I did actually pay for this myself. This is kind of part of the expanding studio. I needed something that could do a little bit more than my camera. The camera's been great. I've rocking a Canon Rebel T7i with an 11-16 lens on it, but it doesn't really fit everywhere I want it to, which is where this comes in. This is the GoPro Hero 9. Again, mildly underwhelming unboxing experience. I got there. That's it. I guess we can go a little bit further. Just that. And let's open up the box. And there it is. Now inside, you get a cable. They've got some documentation for the GoPro. They've got some mounts. Mount. A little battery. Oh, it's so cute. Apparently the batteries have gotten a lot bigger in this generation. Another mount. And of course, the camera. And this is what I was really anxious for, this tiny, tiny little camera, which apparently has gotten bigger this generation around. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I've never actually used a GoPro myself. I never actually had a real use for it until now. And when I wanted to start doing some kind of out of the box video shooting, kind of like this video, I realized that the Rebel T7i, while it's a great camera, it's great for shooting, it doesn't really get what I want it to get, especially with it being limited to 1080p. This thing goes up to 5K, which I don't think I'm going to be using. However, some 4K footage would be helpful. And especially when you're doing this kind of stuff, just the ability to zoom in without losing resolution would be great. So this thing is going to be helping me with that quite a bit. Now, I am going to be taking this for a bit of a walk. I'm going to see exactly what it can do before I report on it. I just wanted to show you, this is kind of the next evolution in this studio. It's apparently got better low light performance. It's obviously got better resolution. It's 23 megapixel stills, once again, 5K. And it also has this little front screen for being able to do vlogging and such, which I have also been kind of wanting to get into. So this is going to be kind of cool. Stay tuned if you want to see more on this, or frankly, anything else that I've unboxed. The PodTrack P4, going to be a fun little thing to try to stretch out and see what it can do, as well as that little Rode podcast pack, which I'm actually really curious about. I'm going to see exactly how good that is for a dynamic mic. So if you want to see all that, make sure you hit that like button, get subscribed, and stick around for the ride. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.